Our training programmes empower our customers and help them shape the future.
It's not enough to have just great products. We also need to help our customers to understand how to install, commission and maintain these products to get the best performance out of them.
We can train up to 90 engineers in one session without compromising the quality of their learning. This means we've seriously increased the number of high-quality installers in our industry, and it's a significant step to helping Britain meet its net zero target.
As we move away from fossil fuels, the age of the heat pump is upon us, with every new system taking us one step closer to net zero.
We are the largest heat pump manufacturer in the UK, and our Livingston factory is ready to meet demand.
Our teams are helping businesses and consumers switch to renewable heating with the biggest range of heat pumps on the market.
Behind every product and service is a person who believes in what we do. It's the human touch that defines Mitsubishi Electric.
We have a diverse range of people who bring experience and passion to everything we do for our customers.
We understand that by working together, we can offer our customers the very highest levels of service, quality and reliability.
Every voice is important, from our graduates to our leadership team. We're all part of the same dedicated team.
Everyone is given a chance to develop their career in a way that helps match their ambitions.
I love the opportunity this graduate scheme has brought to me. It's been a brilliant learning experience for me, and I felt really listened to.
I've been here for a few months now, but I already feel part of Mitsubishi Electric's family.
At Mitsubishi Electric, we see ourselves as more than just manufacturers. We're partners for our customers on their road to net zero.
Our contribution to society goes beyond our products and includes direct connection with the communities around us.
We've created the learning curve to teach primary school children about the importance of tackling climate change.
I'm really proud to work for Mitsubishi Electric. It's a company with a century of innovation, and I really feel like together we're making a world of difference.